In 1887, the Minneapolis Tribune praised Litchfield, noting, "Architecturally, it is one of the most attractive little cities." This building was erected in 1894 by merchant John Palm. A native of Sweden, he came to the United States with his parents in 1870. He worked his way up as a clerk in Alex Cairncross's general merchandise store to become a full partner by 1885. Following his partner's death, Palm decided to move ahead with this new store. The building has served as a hardware and grocery store for most of its history. It stands as one of the best examples of what made Litchfield's downtown attractive in the 19th century and today. First, although the buildings are different in many ways, almost all use basic design principles that every building shared in order to create a sense of the whole. On the street level, there would be a storefront with plate glass windows, inviting passerbys to stop and look. Above the windows, often with transom lights, was the store sign. Upstairs, the rooms were typically rented for offices. The street facade was capped with a raised cornice in 1900, providing a prominent advertisement for his store. Since Litchfield underwent a major building boom in the 1880s and 1890s, architects and contractors used the Italianate and Queen Anne styles of architecture that were popular at the time, such as the central pediment on the cornice, the corbelled brick just below that, and the rounded brick arches with stone sills on the second-story windows. In 1996, Litchfield's downtown was listed in the National Register of Historic Places, praised as an unusually intact example of a late 19th and early 20th century central business district in a small Midwestern farming community.